Welcome aboard the Bitcoin Express. My name is Chase. Let's get to it. In today's video, we're going to talk about how one can prosper during an economic crisis. The biggest misconception about a global meltdown is that wealth is destroyed. People see all the markets go down and they think money is gone, wealth is gone. But this is absolutely false. When it comes to a crisis, wealth is never destroyed. It's merely transferred. And all you have to do, all a person has to do, is set up themselves that they're on the right side of the fence so that when this transfer occurs, you can be on the receiving end. And this could be the greatest wealth transfer in history. What happens during a crisis is people get out of all of their assets. They might have gold, they might have art, real estate, cryptocurrency, and so on. But at the moment, they sell for cash because they need cash in the moment. They need it for food, they need it for medical supplies, and other basic necessities. So we see all of the asset prices going down. But when we return to normalcy, when the pandemic is over, when the crisis is over, people are back working, people are able to pay for food, pay for rent, that is when the wealth transfer will begin. All this money that was taken out of the market, that is on the sidelines, people are now looking to put it back into the market. And you might be wondering, what side of the fence do I have to be on? What investments do I have to get this wealth transfer? And I know you want me to give you an answer, but you'll never get a direct answer from me, and you won't get it from anyone else out there. Unless they're a con artist or a scammer, they might tell you what you need to buy. But the best advice I can give you, and anyone out there that's not a con artist, is the best investment you need to make is in your education. I know that's not the answer that you wanted, but this is the truth. You need to educate yourself on all of these assets and figure out, will this be on the correct side of the fence? Will I receive money during this wealth transfer? So when it comes to education, you have to study things such as gold. Look into maybe real estate. Look into oil. You could even look into artwork. You could look into cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and all the other projects. And these are just a few examples. There's other alternative assets out there that might be on the correct side or the right side of the fence when it comes to this wealth transfer. And now everyone is at home, they're in quarantine, and this is the time where you need to study. The truth is, right now could be a little late. People should really should be studying these things way before these opportunities even present themselves. But if you haven't started yet, the best time to start is today. You're at home right now, and a lot of people might be wasting time watching Netflix all day. They might be playing video games, but use this time as a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to sit down and focus and educate yourself and study. If you take the time, if you spend a few hours every day studying these investments, such as gold, maybe silver, cryptocurrency, art, real estate, stocks, everything you could get your hands on, study it, and you'll find the answer that you need, and you can be on the correct side of the greatest wealth transfer in history. I hope that you found value in today's video, and I hope you really take my advice and you study. This is the time, once in a lifetime opportunity, to find out what is the best investment you can make right now during this financial meltdown so that when it's over, you'll be on the receiving side of the fence when it comes to wealth transfer. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.